The history of quality reaches back into antiquity, but the current movement began in the 1920s with the work of one man, Walter A. Shewhart. Shewhart spent most of his early career as an engineer at Western Electric and later at Bell Telephone Laboratories, where he served from 1925 until his retirement. It was here that he integrated the worlds of statistics, engineering, and economics to transform how we view manufacturing. In 1924, Shewhart introduced a revolutionary tool, the control chart. He observed that variation exists in everything, even the Earth wobbles slightly in its orbit, and the key to quality was to control this variation as much as possible. Shewhart's genius was in distinguishing between two types of variation. First, chance or random causes, which are inherent in the system and account for 85% of variation. Second, assignable causes, which are unexpected occurrences not inherent in the process. These are now commonly referred to as common cause and special cause variation. Through his control charts, Shewhart provided a way to define control mathematically. He stated that a process is controlled when, through past experience, we can predict, at least within limits, how it will vary in the future. This signaled a shift from simply inspecting products after they were made to measuring variance during production to ensure consistency. In 1931, he published his landmark book, Economic Control of Quality of Manufactured Product, which established the underlying principles used in quality control to this day. But his contributions didn't stop at charts. In 1939, Shewhart introduced a systematic scientific method for process improvement. He depicted it as a circle to convey the importance of continual improvement. This three-step process of specification, production, and inspection was the original foundation of what we now call the Plan Do Check Act (PDCA) cycle. Shewhart's influence extended through his mentorship. During the summers of 1925 and 1926 at Western Electric's Hawthorne plant, he met a young physicist named W. Edwards Deming. Deming became a student of Shewhart's methods, eventually carrying these statistical theories to Japan and sparking a global quality revolution. Dr. Shewhart was a frequent consultant for the War Department, the United Nations, and the Government of India. He believed that everyone involved in manufacturing needed a knowledge of statistics to solve control problems. Today, whenever a team uses statistical process control (SPC) to monitor a workspace or applies the Shewhart cycle to improve a process, they are utilizing the bedrock principles established by Walter Shewhart. He transformed quality from a subjective, "I know it when I see it," into a rigorous, predictable, and scientific discipline.